Hi, I'm Will from the Outspokin Bicycle and Sport shop located in Newbury, New Hampshire. Today, we're going to talk about how to tune up a bicycle. Springtime, great time to get on top of that. A couple of basic things to get your bike up and running. First of all, you want to pay attention to your air pressure. Sidewall of your tires will tell you what pressure to inflate. There's usually a range. In essence, you want to probably go right in the middle of the range. If you're going to be off-road, go on the lighter side of the range. You're going to be on-road, a little harder tire, higher pressure is better. Next thing is, take a look at your gear package. Gears, essentially, got a lot of gears in the back, very few in the front. Most of the problems come in the rear. You'll be pedaling along, hear a lot of clicking. If your chain is not shifting to the larger diameter gear or what we call the easy gear in the back, we need to adjust what we call cable tension. So you'll be shifting and it won't go up. You have to give it a little extra boost. You know you need to adjust cable tension. Usually a slack cable is the biggest problem here. If you look at your rear derailleur, you have what we call an adjuster barrel right down here. And the best way to explain how to adjust this cable tension is to think of this barrel adjuster as something you're pinching with your thumb on top. If your chain is not shifting up to the easier gears, you want to, with your thumb on top, push your thumb toward the bicycle. If for some reason the chain doesn't seem to be dropping down to the harder gears, you want to adjust the barrel by pulling your thumb away from the bicycle. And that will adjust the cable tension to make this derailleur shift properly. Front derailleurs are a lot more difficult to adjust. There's essentially one adjustment up on your front shifter, and I would highly suggest you go to a reputable bike shop to have that one figured out. Usually cause more problems than they solve when you try to mess around with those. In terms of your brakes, a lot of times you'll be squeezing your brake levers, realize you don't have a lot of brake lever left, they're really soft. So rather than play around with your actual brakes, right up here on your brake lever, there's another adjustment barrel. You can back it out, which actually lengthens the housing, effectively tightening your brakes. It's a design feature to accommodate for brake pad wear. There's a secondary adjuster that you can tighten up to lock the main adjuster in place so it won't spin in on you. So there you have gear adjustment, check your tire pressure, adjust your brakes. You throw a little lube on your chain and you're good to go. And that's how you tune a bicycle.